Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with a sweet sewing machine. We got this at a local Rummage sale for, you guessed it, 10 bucks. It's Sears Best's Kenmore thingy. It's a sewing machine, obviously, but it came with all of this stuff. It is a monogrammer that comes with templates. So you can actually do lettering and cool stuff like that. It has pattern cams. Like, these are neat books, right? So you can do various types of patterns. That are awesome. Accessories and the button holder. Kind of cool things you can do. Now, my wife has a brother that does all this digitally now, right? So, you know, but this is like early 80s, maybe technology. So what we have here is a sewing machine that my wife is currently getting threaded up for us here on the video. It's fairly fancy. Like, you're like, oh, it's just got some buttons in the front, but actually the top contains a whole variety of things, from foot pressure buttons, cam lever, cam start. So this is obviously where the cam goes. Oops. Push, so when you're doing different types of things, buttonholes, this button, cycle control, bobbin winder, stitch selector. It's got a screen on the top here of designs, basic designs, one cycle designs, stretch stitches, width control, which is pretty common, your length of stitch, which is fairly common, your reverse button right here. We have our clutch, power button there. We have the light on already. Oh, and I missed this one here. That is the tension. Okay, so it's, you know, it's a sewing machine, so it's got your basic sewing machine things in it. And it's got its bobbin down there. Very pretty beefy light bulb cord. But we haven't really run it ever, so this is a first start for us, for it. But we wanted to kind of take you on the, hey, I wonder what this thing can do. Now the pedal down here, it's fairly nice. It's weighted. It's got like a lead plate on it. Probably weighs about 10 pounds, so it doesn't move. A plethora of cables coming from the pedal, power, and they all come up to the plug underneath the bottom here. And it might not even work. Oh, it works. Okay, so it works. Oh my god!
It's doing.
Oh, that's digitally.
Doing zigzag.
A zigzag.
That's the stitch length. This is the thing I need.
Oh wow! It's not a LED light. It's just a light that moves behind openings.
I don't know how to make it do plane. Is there a plane? I don't know.
There's no planes for you. It's not exposing well on that. Let's see if I can get the camera to behave. Here we go. You can kind of see there.
And when you turn the knob, it moves the light bulb.
It moves the light bulb down. That is awesome. Still have a model number, but I'll look it up and put it in the notes of the video. Stitch length. And then what's the sub button on it?
This?
That's the...
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
It says modifier. It's a lot of electromechanical goodness here.
So this would be stitches per inch.
Right, so that's
24,
fine.
12,
That's your
8,
length, yeah. You get
and
further.
6.
That controls the feed dog speed then, essentially.
Right.
Okay.
But it's still doing
Yeah, it is back and forth still. Now, the one thing this didn't come with is a manual. So all the awesome details we'll have to find on the internet somewhere. But
that's kind of messed up.
it's not even focusing. There we go. Yeah.
It's making a mess. So something is not right, but that could be any number of things. It could be how I have it threaded, although I think I got it right. It could be the tension. It could be...
Yeah, there's just so...
that I've messed with the length of stitch.
There's so many things to do with it. Like the cam lever is engaged or not engaged, or...
On foot pressure, I probably don't need it on number 4.
I probably might control the speed. How
but
far
maybe that's... like if you were doing something thick, then you would decrease the foot pressure,
Right.
like denim or something thick like that.
Oh, I see. That foot pressure, not your foot pedal pressure as to how
No,
hard you have
it's
to press
the foot.
I
This is
see.
the foot.
in. Gotcha. So how hard you're pushing on it.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
That's what I needed.
So I'll
I
remove
keep
your...
wanting to change the stitches down there, but it's up here.
You're moving the light again.
Yeah, move the light bulb.
Yeah, let's take a look and see what she does here.
And it has the old style foot liver. The new ones are all on the inside.
Oh, that guy.
Like if you look at this one,
The brother, yeah.
the presser foot lever is on the inside.
We need to do a video on that thing too. It's
This
an
is the
amazing
old
machine.
style where they were behind. You get really used to where it is. So for the longest time I reached behind when I was supposed to be here, and now I'm reaching here when it should be behind. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm doing it. It's got tension problems. This probably all got changed while it was...
Mind you, our 4-year-old has, at one point, had access to the machine, so lots of buttons and
It's a little
Alright,
better.
is there a window to the bobbin? Is that what that is?
Yep.
So you can see what it's
You
doing.
can see the bobbin going round and round.
That's adorable. And that just was in the machine already, or did you wind it?
No, it was in the machine already.
So, factory, yeah, not factory, but
And it's not wound on there right either.
these people and their sewing machines, I tell ya.
Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay. Don't mind me, I'll
This
just
is-
keep this
okay.
camera right here in front of your face so you can...
Thanks. Appreciate that.
It's not picking it up.
It's doing something funny.
Nope.
There we go.
There it goes. So essentially it came with free
Free bobbin thread, yeah.
bobbin threads. Look at that. We've already got 10 cents of our $10 back right there.
The presser foot, not the presser foot, the foot pedal
Yep.
is also backwards.
What do you mean backwards?
Like you push it, not like a car, you push down with your heel.
Oh, I see.
It's backwards.
So if you put,
So we have it,
if you worked it on that end, it would be normal.
you have to turn it around. But it's not supposed to be turned around. It's supposed to be like this.
Right.
But you're supposed to... Nowadays, they're all
Squish and go.
push forward like a car pedal.
Right.
Now let's turn it up and see what happens. That seemed bad. Definitely the wrong direction.
She pulled all the way right too?
Yeah. There is probably a selector for that as well. See how you can see the white? You're not supposed to see that white.
Yeah, okay. Right, that's the under.
That's the underneath thread being pulled up through.
Right.
Stitch length is also like super tiny.
We haven't really bumped into a lemon yet though, in terms of sewing machines.
Oh, that's neat.
Whoa,
Now
is
it's
that
doing
two forward
something
and one
else.
back?
It's doing something else.
Is that your selector?
Look, it turned green.
Whoa! What's up with that? It's happy now. Oh, that's your modifier. That's the green of your...
Yep.
So now it's doing the green part, where it's a dance, and now it's doing the red part, which is the zigzag.
Yep.
Wow.
We can get it working. It's pretty cool.
Well, it's a matter of figuring out everything it can do.
Well, it's and a matter of getting it working properly.
Right.
That looks a little better.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the triple stitch.
Neat. So when you run it a little bit, does that move? It does slowly. Oh, there's a cam in there now.
No.
It's running right there. Cam start. Oh.
Yeah, no, it's empty.
Yeah, I guess they're big and green, but looks like there's
Let's
just
see.
that little...
What do they look like?
Oh, the cams?
Yeah.
Let's see. Pattern cams. Let's pick an orange one. This is just that kind of the...
Oh, okay. So it's this guy here, number 4.
Does it say cam 4? It does.
It does. It says 4.
So which one do you want?
Pick us a fancy one, like fish.
Fish, which
You
is
can find 80.
80. Yikes. Good luck with that. That's 83.
83 is trees.
82. Oh, are we on our way? No, it's 27. Oh, what? Did you say 82 is trees?
82 is 82 is
80.
ducks.
83 is trees.
83 is trees.
Here's some trees.
Sure, let's see what it looks like.
You want a different color fabric for our red...
Oh, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. Maybe just go with the black there. It's a big piece.
You see that. So, 83 is little...
Okay, this is...
Boy, those ducks are, or chickens or swans are cute.
I don't know.
I'm guessing the orange is the start.
Is there a...
Well, hold on. There's a little, like this button here.
Mhm.
And there are holes to...
Line it up?
Yeah. Nice if you'd focus for me, Cammy.
Did you see that? I pushed that and it let it out.
It did push it in. Oops. So, go ahead and pull that back again. Okay.
That just pops it out.
Oh, I see.
That's how you get it out.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Because we gotta get, I think we have to get that little cam start button on top. Oh wait, it's upside down?
There's a little hole and a pin.
Yep.
It's turning.
Okay, well.
Oh, it just popped out again though.
And that little arm is not, that little arm is not riding in the cam. You know, I'm guessing it rides the bumps, and that little cam there is what does it, but when you pull that back, there you go. Now she's in. That's the stuff.
We'll figure it out eventually.
That's right. Alright.
Freak out.
Feed dog should be partying too, right?
Yeah, it's not.
I don't know if I see a pine tree there.
No, what you see is it
Hot mess.
not working properly.
I wonder if there's other things we have to do when we do a cam.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. We'll figure it out. We'll get a model name and number and read the
I
manual.
know what that means.
Cycle selector control.
Oh, hey.
Maybe.
I don't know what any of this
Let's push some more buttons and get go.
means. Push some more buttons. Push some more buttons. There's got to be more buttons. Hey, that was it. Did something. I
Not
don't
making
know.
trees though.
It's not making trees anymore. It's just going straight.
Oh, 6 threads per inch. That's really hauling the mail.
There's one.
Sure. Nope, it's not really moving back and
It's
forth
just
though.
really thin.
Click, click, click.
No idea.
Cool. So, we're at 15 minutes.
Oh,
so,
hey.
oh, wait, what?
I'm dumb.
Why?
Because there's a light here that says cam.
Oh, the cam light.
It's not doing anything though.
Still not making a Christmas tree. Yeah, it's got to be, I'm guessing, a certain...
Some kind of setting. It's really just hauling the mail. Doing its thing.
All right, well, if you have any questions on this Kenmore, we've got...
Or you know anything.
Yeah, if you know anything, let us know, please. Like, I know something or whatever.
My grandma had one like that.
I'll put the model number in the title of the video. Well, I don't know what it is till I put her on her belly or look at her back. And we have all these toys out. Some are, this thing is pretty minty. So, and heavy. There's lots of metal here. Oh my.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's got...
Oh, it has instruction manual for the monogrammer.
Yes, I saw that.
So I wonder if the... No. It's like, oh, the cams have something? No, but no.
The monogrammer's pretty cool.
And then this is, obviously gets thrown down on the bottom, and then you can tweak things too.
I don't know what that is.
I'm sure it goes on one of the bottom plates. Like it sits down with it, and then you can slide... I don't know. You're right. Something that enables you to have to see through.
And it has a different throat plate.
Yeah. And some of these things got kind of mixed, but it came from somebody somewhere. So if you know anything or want to know more or need us to do a lot more videos on it now, let us know. And yeah, we'll get this video up there and see how it goes.